Hi guys, as always, start with a little relaxed here. Take your jaw, unhinge it, relax it. Take your shoulders, get them relaxed. See, now you're relaxed. Okay, so today I want to talk about um, my project Use It Up for the new year. And this is going to be a little different than maybe other project Use It Ups or project pancakes, whatever. Is that I want to do rolling, rolling project Use It Up, like rolling products. So basically, whenever I use up one product, I'm gonna put in another that's like halfway done or three-fourths done. Oh, this already smells really good. So I just wanted to share what's in here. There's some hygiene, there's a little bit of makeup, and there's some hair stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing is I'm gonna keep everything in here, and this little thing I'm gonna put. I already have it on my bureau on top of my vanity, like in the middle, so that whenever I wake up and I'm like, oh, I want to use lotion, I go here. You know what I mean? So it'll be the first thing that I see. So the first thing I'll share is a hair oil or a spray oil. Like I said, I have locks. So I use different things with my locks. This is Jamaican mango and lime spray oil, moringa seed oil, manuka honey. And I don't know if you can see, it's like right here done, like from here. So it's like more than 2/3 done. Um, and usually I do this when I moisturize my hair, and I don't moisturize my locks very much because I'm within the first year of my locks. So I might moisturize them like once a week. Um, how do I feel about this? It's very minty. So like you can feel in your hair, like you feel that mint. I don't even know what here is making it feel minty, but it feels very minty in my hair. So I guess that also helps it grow. So that's the first item. Second item is this Dove Refresh and Care dry shampoo. I'm sorry, did I show the spoil properly? Yeah, spoil. So this is Volume and Fullness dry shampoo. I've had it a really long time and I just kind of want to get rid of it. I think it's travel size, but even with it, I'm sorry, some stuff was leaking. I know exactly what's leaking. Is this gosh darn it thing. Oh my god. See, this is the problem with Project Use It Ups. Things get a little crazy. Hold on a second. It was the Bath and Body Works lotion that was like leaking. Oh my god. Anyway. um so I want to use this. I want to just finish it just to be done with it cuz like I'm done with it. It's good. I mean, I haven't had too many dry shampoos, so it kind of does the job. I'm good with it. Like like I endorse it. I just want to finish it up. Like I'm just sick of it, you know? Okay, the offender of making everything messed up. This Bath and Body Works lotion. This is Napa Valley Sunset Shea and Vitamin E lotion. How many years ago is this? I'm gonna say because the first number on the batch is 6, then this is from 2016, and it's from the 118th day of 2016. So I've had this a while. It's a little runny, but it still smells very strong, and it still works. And I just want to finish it. You know, it's a very nice scent too. I don't know what the scent notes are. Oh, they have it here. It says signature collection, but it's not there anymore. Robust and romantic. Napa Valley Sunset is a blend of Napa Valley plum, vineyard pomegranate, and golden amber. I definitely smell the pomegranate. Um, oh wow. It just literally it spilled everywhere, guys. Oh, come on, man. Hold on, I have some more. I don't even know what I was thinking. Like, what was I thinking? I had it upside down. But what was I thinking? Oh my gosh. It'd be like that sometimes. Okay, so the next thing in it is my Cremo shave cream in coconut mango. This came in a 2-pack. And I really like it. Like I would buy it again. I think I'm gonna try a different shaving cream when I'm done with this, and I think this is the last one. I think I finished the other one. I definitely want to finish this up, and I would say that I can't see, but it's pretty much down to like right here. So it's also 2/3 done. It's 2/3 done. Okay. The next thing that probably has gotten destroyed, and like this just happened because I just used all of these things. So I don't even understand. It doesn't even make any sense that the Napa Valley sunset just destroyed everyone's life. Thanks a lot, Napa Valley sunset. So this is a prescription only product that is worth noting that I got from my dermatologist. And this is ammonium lactate cream at 12%, just to show you. So this is kind of like a body, what did she describe it as? My derm described it as like a body chemical peel, because I get chemical peels. So she said this is a body. So I don't put it all over my body. I just put it on parts of my feet. Like parts of my feet are darker than other parts because I was a child athlete and dancer. So my feet just like effed up. Like my feet are just bad. And that comes from, and it really is because I was a child athlete and dancer. Like if I wasn't doing athletics, I was in dance, and it really did mess up my feet as my feet were developing. So some of my feet has like dark spots, and I've already used a lot of stuff to try and get it off, like mostly prescription at this point, because nothing over the counter is going to work. And this has been working. So I'm going to continue using it, but it's a long-term thing. Like it might take a full year of using this for my feet to be the complete same homogeneous color. So I do endorse that. It just kind of sucks that like, oh, I see what happened. And then it spilled. The Napa Valley spilled in the freaking, oh, thanks a lot, Napa Valley. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing that is has so much Napa. I was like, and it was smelling so good in there. That's why I was like, why does it smell so good in my little thingamabob? Okay, so the next thing is a travel lotion. This is the Jergens Ultra Healing Extra Dry Moisturizer with vitamin C, E, and B5. And this came in like a 5 or 6 pack, and I used basically all of them except just like one. So I just want to get rid of that, and it works fine. I can't say that it's anything magnificent, but it works. Next thing is another Bath and Body Works product. This is the Paraffin Hand, Nail, and Cuticle Hand Cream. And this is from the year, oh, I don't see the batch number here. Hold on. 8. Okay, so this is from 2018, and it's from the 247th day. That's my cat trying to open up my package. The 247th day of 2018. It also works very well. I like it a lot. It has a strong lemon scent, and I can't for the life of me figure out, is it supposed to smell like lemon? Because it says specially formulated with avocado oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. I don't understand why it smells very lemony. It smells like a good lemon. Like it doesn't smell like a sour lemon. It smells like a good lemon, but I don't know why it smells like lemon. Anyway, it works very well, and I would get a full bottle size of this. This is very strong, very potent, very quality. This is very quality. I like it a lot. Oh, I was wrong. I lied. There's another Jergens Ultra Healing. This is the travel size. And once again, like I just want to, the thing is, I already have a hand cream that's in my current bag. So once that one's out, it'll be easier just to throw this one in. Next thing is kind of new. This is the Kiehl's. Okay, what is that weird stuff? Oh, okay. So this is the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, alcohol-free, made with whole flowers and pure extracts for normal to oily skin type. Yeah. If you can see, I don't know if you can, there's like flowers in there. I didn't know what that was. Like, I thought it was molding. No, there's like real flowers in there. That's like a trend now that they put flowers and like roses and stuff in hygiene products. It's cute. I don't mind. So far I've used this. It doesn't feel anything different than any other toner I've ever used. Like, I think I really am gonna go back to witch hazel as a toner because that's just like my favorite toner. It makes my skin feel tight and it feels refreshing. I think I'm really gonna go to witch hazel after this, but I want to use it up. And okay, what's next? Okay, so this is the Medline Remedy Phytoplex Botanical Nutrition for Sensitive Skin Cleanser No Rinse Foam. Cleans and conditions hair and skin. It's paraben and sulfate free, hyperallergenic, and tear free, pediatrician tested for all ages. So this is like mom approved. This is mom approved, grandma approved, everybody approved. So what I use is this is a head to toe cleanser. Yeah, I use it and you don't have to rinse it off. I love this stuff. The only thing is that it does have a medicinal and it is called Medline, so I'm pretty sure that it's something that is used either in nursing homes or in hospitals. It does have a hospital smell. I don't mind it because it goes away pretty quickly, and I mostly use it like at night. Like if I've already cleaned myself for the day, but I just want an extra clean before I go to bed, or if at any time of the day like you can't rinse your body off, this works great, and it's a little better for the environment than those wipes, those disposable wipes. So this works fine. You can just use your hand, put it all over. It's cooling. Does it have aloe? I feel like there's aloe in it. I don't see if there's aloe, but it feels as if there's aloe because the aloe feels very cool. It feels very cooling to me. Um, the only drawback is that medicinal smell. So you definitely like if you're out and about, I would maybe put a little perfume or something. It's not strong and it doesn't stay for a long time, but it does have a medicinal smell. But it works great. Like it, and you feel clean afterwards. Like it's such a godsend and such a product. I think people need to talk more about it. So I definitely want to finish this up, and I think when it's done, I'm gonna find a different competitor product that maybe has a better scent. But if not, I'll just go back to this. Oh, I was supposed to say how much I've used. I have no idea. Oh, you know what happened? I had another one like this because it comes out as a foam, right? So I had another one like this, and because I had two, I think it came in a 2 pack. I just combined it because I was using them separately, so I combined it. So it would be like down to here, and maybe I should do those line thingies, but like I kind of don't care that much. You know what I mean? Like I can shake it up and hear it. You know what I mean? It's not that deep. So now I think it's halfway full because I combined the two. Yeah. Okay, almost done here. This is like the makeup thing. I do wear a little bit of makeup. Definitely since the C word that's been happening. I feel like I've been wearing less makeup. So this is okay. I don't know what happened. This is hilarious. This is a L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Blush in neutral, and you can already see I hit pan. I hit pan. Do you know how old this is? This is I can't even tell you how old it is, but I had this in college, and that was like over 10 years ago. I'm pretty sure I had this in college, or maybe I had it like exactly 10 years ago. This is old. And I just want it out of my collection. It's nice, it serves its purpose, but I want to try other blushes. This is like the only blush I have. Like, I'm not big on makeup. If anything, I'm probably big on lip products, but like other stuff I don't buy a lot of. This is the only blush I have. And I just want to try something else. So I just want to finish that up. I should just put it on my lips. I should put it on my face, my lips, everything, just to get rid of it because it's been here too long. It's been here too long. And the last thing that's part of this is this Sephora gloss. It's called Glossy Gloss, and it's in the color. You know what? I feel like it said the color, but because I've had it so long, it's rubbed off. But you can see just like this, and it has like just that squeezy. Yeah, like that squeezy too when you go like that. And I have used so much of it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if it's showing with the light, but I've used so much of it that I probably could use it up if I used it consistently in a week and a half. So I think I'm gonna throw this in my bag so that I'll just reach for it so I can get out of my collection. And that is it. And I'm gonna put everything back in there. That is all for my rolling project use it up. I think what I'll do is when I finish something, I'll put it into an empties bag, and then I guess I'll review it again or something, or I'll just like show that I finished it. I like the idea of doing a rolling empties because then I feel like everything is gonna get used. So I wanna start from stuff that is oldest and also stuff that I know is almost done. You know what I mean? Or three-fourths done. So that's what I want to start with when it comes to my hygiene products and whatever makeup I have. I also want to declutter a lot of makeup, like old makeup and hygiene crap I have. Like I'll do it here and there, but I want to like do a whole declutter and just get out stuff that's just not working anymore, not good, expired, I don't like it anymore, or whatever. So that is a possible idea. But the main thing with this project, Use It Up, is to start from my oldest products and my products that are mostly gone. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for listening. If you have your own project Use It Up or project Use It Up videos, I'd love to watch it. I'm addicted to them. Like I love empties and project Use It Up videos. So if you have anything like that, just let me know and I will definitely watch it. And I hope this was enjoyable for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.